because we're gonna do another one just to show you guys.
Look, you slept only 2 hours.
Mochi sleep. She slept in my head last night.
It's a boy. He had his dick on your head.
I thought that was a woman that was giving me a massage all
Yeah, he
night
was probably
long.
rubbing his lipstick on your head. So what's the first thing you want to do when you got to California?
Well, California sucks, so it's only good for 2 things. So we're gonna go to the sand dunes, and then we're gonna get some weed. But not for me, just for my dad.
We can't say that.
Oh, you can't?
We kind of got invited to go out to the dunes with some people, like Kyle, Brent, Cletus. So right now woke up really early today. About to take a 3-hour trip up there. After Mike just spent, how much you spent, Mike? $3,000 in deposit?
So why are you snitching me out? It's my dad's first time down here. Well, actually all our first time, but we took him on a cross-country trip.
And somehow I got sucked into driving.
So right now we're on our way to Glamis. We don't have any ATVs or anything with us, so we're just gonna rent one and we're just gonna have some fun with them.
Brought our rotary swapped side by side.
Yeah, let us know if you want us to rotary swap side by side.
Hey Josh, look, hey, we got your own personal one. Get next to that thing. Yo, we should get that form. Just put it in the bed of the truck. Mike rented us side by side, so that thing right there is the one we're gonna be using. It does not have a rotary engine, not yet. We're gonna try to probably mess with that later, but we need something to keep up with the boys because I'm pretty sure my truck will get stuck out there. So we need something that can actually go out into the sand. 2 hours later, we have the RCR on the trailer after getting a really long talk about how to properly drive this thing. So you ready for it, Mike?
Yep.
We may have to change the belt. we may go.
It sounds like it's a little hurt.
Yeah, it sounds like we're about to be the slowest car out there, but whatever. Apparently, if we go way too hard on this thing, we are gonna smoke the belt, and we have to change the belt in the middle of the desert. So right now they're trying to show them how to do it real quick. So we have to be easy in this thing so we don't get stuck in the middle of nowhere. We have to bring it back, and now we lose our $3,000 deposit. What do you think about this?
I think with all that money, we can put it as a down payment for a brand new one.
We got the side by side, but we're definitely. Actually, 2 hours later we got it, and Josh is about to get fucked. It's got 100 hours, but from what he said, everything breaks on it, and apparently everything that breaks on it is like $6,000 to fix. So there's like, you know, if he has to go get us because the belt broke, it's $6,000 recovery fee. If he has to, like, if we blow a shock, it's $6,000 to like fix the shock. So, you know, after this, we might as well just buy the thing. But whatever, we're heading that way. You know, we just gotta
Be careful.
We just gotta be careful because, you know, he gave us an extra belt, which is, you know, a good thing because we'll just if we need to change it, we'll change it ourselves. But it just leads concerns onto the condition of that belt on that one. You know, so that belt might be going out.
So right now we're on the way there, and we literally skipped breakfast, so we have to get lunch before we go into the desert. It's almost 4 o'clock already.
Yeah, so we're supposed to pick it up at 9, and it's 11 o'clock. So, you know, it was a process.
Honestly, I'm gonna cancel my card. If we break it, it's not our problem because Josh's problem with American Express, right, Mike? Yeah.
As soon as we drop it off, we're gonna report the car stolen.
How do I think about it, man? Like American Express, dude, they offer like a rental insurance. Yeah. So I think we're straight.
I think we're good. Butchie's first time at Glamis. All right, so we're finally here, and we're gonna go hang out with the guys. We got PFI here, Garrett is here. I know.
It's not bad.
Not
as
bad?
long as you put your seatbelt on, it's fast.
It's not bad. Oh, you forgot about the seatbelt.
Yeah, I got it on. I'm like, what the fuck? This is it.
You don't listen to instructions.
Nah, never.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's take a look at the rest of them. So some of you guys know this used to be rotary back in the day. So we're actually looking into getting one and like doing a rotary swap on it, but this thing's pretty insane.
We're about to go out for the first rip with my dad and our sister Josh. Yep. And Mochi. So hopefully we don't flip it because it's gonna cost us a lot of money if we flip it. Nope. Nope. Not down there. We're gonna get fucked. Yeah, we're about to flip right now. Close call. Close call. Didn't die.
Landed a little sideways and
What is this?
hey, this is all we got, man.
Motion sickness.
Oh man.
You don't trust who's driving.
I need a better rod to jack this.
Alright, so we helped Kyle get the tire back seated. We just had to lift it up. But we're going back to the pit area.
Make sure she doesn't come off again.
Brent, I asked her, I was like, yo, we're gonna pick
it
it up
moving?
at 9.
I'm feeling the burn.
I don't see it moving. Oh, the gauge don't work.
Yeah, there's no gauge. We're just guessing.
I didn't even
It feels a Honda power.
Feel that Honda power.
Let's see what it's about.
Hop on in, man.
Definitely gotta build one of these. This thing is crazy. Yeah, I felt my body, like my soul leave a couple times.
So fun, dude.
Thanks, man.
Alright, Brent's gonna show us around. cohetes. Ya está grabando. Don't drop it.
What? You drive this a lot here? Is the
No,
first
never.
Time? Never?
Never.
This is the first time?
Yeah, that's why I'm going so easy on it.
No. Get loose.
I'm getting used to it.
Yeah.
That's it for today. We're gonna head back and start moving the shop. And the next time we'll see you guys will be in Virginia. Butchie's having fun. Butchie's having fun.
¿Cómo estuvo hoy el día?
No pudo estar mejor. Mira qué cosa bella. Acá nosotros en México, que estamos casi, ¿verdad?
Casi.
Casi en México. Nos curamos, lo disfrutamos. Le doy gracias a los hijos míos por haberme traído. Y la pasamos tremendo.
Vamos a comer ahora.
Sí, tan
Unos tacos buenos.
tan pronto entreguemos eso, vamos a comer
Unos taquitos lindos.
Yo invito.
Done with today. We're using the GoPro most of the day because I didn't want to mess up my nice camera. So we're gonna see how the footage turns out in the audio. And my iPhone, could be an iPhone 12, so it should be better than the GoPro probably. But
That's for the new GoPro.
yeah, that's for the new GoPro 9. But this thing beat the crap out of it. Didn't really mess it up except for we have a flat tire, so we have to put air in that because not. How much is it?
6,000.
6,000 for a flat tire, so we have to go put air in that thing.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get the hell out of here. Made it back to San Diego. We're about to go meet up with my boy right now to go get some tacos because we haven't ate all day because this guy over here lied to us, said that there was a 7-Eleven by the dunes and there wasn't.
It was an old school 7-Eleven.
It was a sign. There wasn't shit there. So we haven't ate all day, so we're gonna get some tacos and then head back to LA.
Adobado, ¿verdad?
4 de adobada.
¿Cuatro los quieres con todo?
Sí.
Sí, claro para ti.
Sí.
Y 4 para mí también.
Ok, 8, claro. Porque estos van a ser 8 taquitos con todo, ¿verdad?
Sí. Dejaste para todo el mundo, ¿verdad?
Hey man, why you got flexing us like that?
I don't know how to tell which one's which.
5 different reds.
Fuck you, bitch.
Hey guys, you wanna see how cool my Tesla is? What are you doing? Yo, look, his girl's taking a picture of it too. Yo, people talk shit about RX-7 owners, bro.
I wish I looked that cool.
Mind blowing.